Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I install this 18-inch Kinknesis lace front wig from Kinkistry. Keep on watching. So the unit comes with a comb in the front, a comb in the back, two combs on the side. It has an adjustable strap and also an elastic band. This unit was super easy to install, very beginner friendly. I love how full it is and the texture is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking in this video because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I will leave all of the information where you can purchase this unit and other units from Kinkistry, as well as I'll put my discount code on the screen above and also in the box below. So to install the unit, I am using my EBIN New York lace melt spray. I do have a discount code with EBIN New York as well, which I'll put on the screen above and in the description box below. So for styling, I have decided to do a twist and curl. So I'm going to be twisting my hair about 75% of the way down, and then I'm going in with the Trey Luxe mousse to set the style in place. And here we are with the takedown, and the definition is definitely given. And here are the final results. I am absolutely loving the way that this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Kinkistry never misses. hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.